We will now take a look at an example of the type of question you may be asked in one of your exams, and we will go through a step-by-step solution. Sometimes in an accounting question, you will be required to use a number of different basic mathematical skills, such as calculating percentages, fractions, and a multiplication. An example would be when you are asked to do a vertical analysis of an income statement. This is simply the proportional analysis of a financial statement, where each line item is listed as a percentage of the sales revenue. Let's take a look at an income statement for a hypothetical company, ABC Taxis. Since each line item in a vertical analysis of an income statement is simply a percentage of the sales revenue, the first line item would be 100%. To calculate the percentage of the cost of sales, we'll have to divide $17,000 by the total, being $48,000. To do this, we simply use our calculator and press 17,000 divided by 48,000. This gives us 0.354167. Now all we have to do is convert this decimal to a percentage by moving the decimal place 2 spots to the right. This is now 35.4167. We can now round this off, and since we want to be as accurate as possible, we will round it off 2 decimal places. Therefore, the percentage of the cost of sales will be 35.42%. To calculate this percentage, we do the same process. That is 31,000 divided by 48,000. Using our calculator, this gives us 0.645833. Now to convert this decimal to a percentage, we simply move the decimal place 2 spots to the right, giving us 64.5833%. After rounding this number off, we are left with 64.58%, which is the gross profit. Now go through the rest of the line items in the income statement and do the same process for each. Your answers should match the percentages shown on the following table.